Hello, everybody. Great to meet you all. Here we are to announce the second edition of our foundation course. UPSC's foundation course is not just another course. Here we are looking at those aspirants who are at young willing to be an IAS officer. Catching you young, those who are just passing out of your 12th standard or second PUC. First year degree, second year degree. Yes, we know you have a lot of college work. We know there is a lot of academics. But your wish to be part of civil services at a young age is something that we want to help you. Our foundation course is scientifically designed, specifically wishing that you can carry civil services study along with your academics. We only take out your Saturday and Sunday, and that too only 3 hours. We have successfully completed the first edition of our foundation course, and on that experience, the second edition will be far better, bigger. Foundation course targets on NCERTs, basic foundation of your preparation, current affairs to build a complete mindset of how do you understand whatever is happening around from a civil services perspective. The second edition of the foundation course is starting this month 30th, every Saturday, Sunday, and this continues for approximately 16 to 20 weeks. And then you're ready to take our full course. Come join starting this month 30th, Foundation Course second edition. This is for you. All the best. Thank you so much.